Jai Hind, I am ColHPadmanabhan. This video is exclusively made for the serving soldiers of armed forces, its pensioners and the family pensioners. This is regarding the benefits offered by various banks to these people in the name of Defense Salary Package accounts, or simply DSP accounts. It varies, minor variation from bank to bank, and the DSP account comes with a number of exclusive benefits. Your account won't become DSP account automatically just because of your salary or pension is coming to the bank. You have to apply for it and ensure that your account is DSP account. So, many banks call it in different names, all DSP only. Like Punjab National Bank calls it Rakshak Plus account. My account is with SBI and it is a DSP account, and I will explain its key factors. You have to approach your bank to ensure that your account is actually DSP account. You go to the bank and ask for the benefits offered by the banks on DSP account. If possible, take a printout and come and explain it to your family and next of kin, that is your husband or wife or children, because you are the one who are going to die in an accident or something. Then these are the people who have to claim for it. I'm highlighting this because there are many cases where the claims couldn't be put up because either it is not converted into a DSP account, and even if it is a DSP account, the next of kin is not aware of the benefits. And so I request all the retired officers and the ex-servicemen organizations to take lead in this, to spread awareness, especially in case of death of a serving soldier or an ex-serviceman or a family pensioner in their neighborhood. Compare it with what I am saying or compare it with other banks, and if there is a major variation, for example, if some bank is giving the personal accident insurance coverage of 50 lakhs for serving soldiers, other bank is giving only 10 lakhs, you may consider or don't hesitate in even changing your account to the bank which is offering the best. Remember, nothing happens automatically. We have to ensure that it is a DSP account. We have to put up the claim. I feel if the bank has to get 1 rupee from you, they will squeeze you. But if you have to get something from the bank, you have to take initiative and put up claims, etc. I won't blame the banks because if they start doing such kind of things, that they won't get time at all. The bank is doing it as a service to us, the defense people, because like SBI, some senior officer mentioned that they have paid as high as 700 crores as premium to insurance agencies and another 700 as claims to us. So most of the time it is not for benefit they are doing it as a service. Now quickly I will go through the DSP features offered by the SBI. The personnel below the officers, that is the NCOs and GCOs, they are put into a gold category, and the officers also, lower ranked officers like lieutenant, captain and major, they are put into a diamond category, and lieutenant colonel, colonel, brigadier and generals are put in a platinum category. There is a minor variation of benefits to this. The most important feature is the personal accident insurance coverage. Accident insurance, okay, it is not natural death or a death due to disease in the hospital or something, it has to be in an accident. In case you are a serving soldier, the insurance coverage is 50 lakhs and generally it is dispersed in very quick time. Like in the case of General Rawat's accident after crash and all, the benefits were given within 48 hours by almost all the banks. And in case you are a pensioner, this benefit is 30 lakhs. And for family pensioner, this benefit is not there. And in case the accident happens due to an air accident or air crash, then it is 1 crore for serving soldiers. This is not there for pensioners or family pensioners. Then in case of not death but 100% disability, then you can get a claim of up to 50 lakhs and accordingly lesser in case you are 75%, 50%, etc. Now there are add-on insurance coverage, like if you are killed in action due to a foreign enemy, terrorist attack or a Maoist attack or something like that, then an additional, over and above this 50 lakhs or 1 crore, whatever it is, an additional 10 lakh coverage is there. And in case you sustain severe burn injuries and a plastic surgery has to be performed on you, then there is a 10 lakh additional coverage. Then if some imported Videshi medicine has to be brought in for you, then transportation of that imported medicine, 5 lakh coverage is there. In case you has to be shifted from one city to other city, that for example from Kochi to Chennai, then up to 10 lakhs charges will be borne by the DSP account bankers. Then if the death happens few days after the accident, then it won't be considered as accidental death. Then also you get a coverage of 2 lakhs. Then in case at the time of death, one of your child is in the age group of 18 to 25 who is pursuing higher education, then an insurance coverage of 5 lakh is given for that higher education. Similarly, if you have a girl child which is in the marriageable age of 18 to 25, then 5 lakh is given for the marriage of that girl. Then in case you are seriously injured and your family members from the hometown has to be brought in, then up to 20,000 coverage is there for that. And the transportation of dead body from one place to another place, up to 20,000 is given. And even an ambulance charges for taking you as a patient or as a transportation of dead body or something, up to 15,000 is given. These are the additional facilities of additional coverage, add-on coverage of DSP account. Then there are various other benefits, like you need not maintain any minimum balance. You can maintain zero balance for n number of time, unlimited time. There will not be any penalties charged. If it is not DSP account or something, if you fall below a prescribed amount, then heavy penalties are charged by the banks. Then your ATM transactions are unlimited in any bank, no charges. Then you take various loans, there is no processing fee, whether it is home loan, car loan or education loan. In case you have a locker there, in their annual rental charges, you get 25% discount in case you are serving soldier and 10% in case you are a pensioner. Then account will be auto sweep. Auto sweep means generally the savings bank account gives you 2.5% or interest. Whereas if it is auto sweep, then automatically it goes into the FD mode where you get higher rate of interest. And if you are maintaining an average balance of 50,000 plus in your bank for 1 year or so, there will be a difference of 10 to 15,000 in the rate of in the interest you gain. Then there is no charges for draft, checks, SMS, NEFT, everything is free. There is a overdraft facility given in case of extreme emergency. Up to 2 months of salary or pension can be taken as overdraft. I suggest you don't take this facility, because the interest will be charged and that is quite heavy also. Please ensure that your account is maintained or kept alive. If your pension or salary is not coming for more than 3 months, it will get deactivated. Similarly, ATM cards and all, at least one transaction in more than 6 months. Then there are certain other features like education loan. Anything up to 20 to 40 lakhs, if the child is going to pursue in higher institutions like IIT, IIMs, medical, etc., then you will get up to 40 lakhs without any security, without any collateral. And if the child is pursuing any other studies, then up to 50 lakhs you can avail with security. And if the child is going abroad for education, then you can get as high as 1.5 crore with the security. When it comes to auto loan, then up to the maximum time period of 84 months, that is 7 years, you can avail this loan. And generally the bankers give only 80% of the on-road price, whereas in DSP account holders case, it will be 100% on-road price. Now, this is a feature which most of you don't know. That is, you get additional insurance coverage and some other coverage for holding SBI debit card. Now, all personnel below officer's rank having DSP account are authorized to have gold debit card. The classic is the lowest. If you have a simple classic debit card, you won't get any additional benefits. If you have gold, and for officers, they get diamond oblique platinum cards. If you are dying because of if you die because of a accident, then an additional coverage of 2 lakhs, that is over and above that 50 lakhs or 30 lakhs, whatever you are getting. This additional coverage, just you are holding a valid active SBI debit card, you will get 2 lakhs for that, and 5 lakhs in case of officers, that is platinum card holders. And if it is an air accident, you will get 1 crore, I said. You will get additional 4 lakhs in case you are officers, personnel below officers. And for officers, you get 10 lakh rupees, provided your tickets are purchased using this DSP account or this debit card. And while having air travel, if you lose your check-in baggage, then a coverage of up to 25,000 is given. Of course, that basic formality has to be done, like FIR, etc. And there is something called purchase protection for theft and robbery. You will get 2 lakh coverage. That is, you purchase something valuable, whether it is gold or vehicle or something, using this debit card. And if you happen to lose it in theft or robbery or fire or something, and if you have document to prove that, the bankers give additional 2 lakh rupees for that. And over and above the DSP account benefits and the debit card account benefits, the armed forces personnel in service, and when it comes to personnel, it is only for officers. You are authorized to have one credit card called Shaurya Select credit card, exclusively for the serving soldiers and the retired army officers. This comes with a renewal fee of around 15,000 rupees. There is no joining fee. Annual fee of 15,000 is given, but that 15,000 is waived off if you spend more than 1.5 lakh in a year. Generally, we tend to spend around 30 to 40,000 rupees per month in the credit card. Aim is to avail all these things. My advice to you is that to do maximum transaction using credit card, not Google Pay or debit card or something. You can do it, I am not saying that. So that this annual fees of 1500 rupees can be waived off. And there are other benefits in Shaurya Chakra, but Shaurya card, and most important is you get an additional personal accident insurance coverage of 10 lakhs. That is, if a DSP account holder having a SBI debit card, having a Shaurya credit card from SBI, he will get, if it is a serving soldier, he will get a serving officer, for example, that is the maximum. 50 lakhs he will get it for that, additional 5 lakhs for the debit card, and additional 10 lakh for the Shaurya credit card. And there is a fraud liability cover of 1 lakh rupees also from the SBI debit card side, SBI Shaurya credit card side. These are the benefits I want to highlight. I want to re-emphasize that you ensure that you have a DSP account, you ensure that you know the benefits given by the DSP account by your bank. Please ensure that your wife or husband or children are aware of that, and please ensure that your debit card is minimum gold. if it is classic, that get converted into gold, and keep it active by making one transaction at least in 6 months. And then if you don't have, apply for an additional Shaurya credit card, keep it with you, and you will get all these benefits. These are the benefits given by SBI. Please go and inquire the benefits given by DSB account by other bankers also. I hope you find this information useful. Bye bye and Jai Hind from me till I come up with another video like this. Jai Hind.